here we have the distribution. Creating a variable / array of size 60. I'm saying bars equals create initial array. The create initial array is down here. All I'm doing is creating a random number between 5 and 15 and placing it with inside bars I, so each position, so that'll be filled 60 times. And I'm using the int rounder here, so if I was to just plug that straight in, it would give me point numbers, and I didn't want point numbers, so I'm just getting solid numbers now, and then I'm just returning bars. I think that's more me doing Java rather than anything, but it seems to work. From there, I'm just setting the frame rate to 2 to show you the small incrementations. Creating the canvas and calling the draw function. Set the background color. Now, set size, because there's 60 elements, I've gone width divided by 60, so that gives me the size for each one of these individual bars. I've rotated the screen around so they start at the bottom instead of on the top bar, because that was annoying. I've then created a variable called rang growth. I've just initialized it out here. Now, all I'm doing here is getting the original array, which is down here, and I'm adding to each position another random number. Again, I'm using the int roundup, or casting it to an int if you want to call it that. Then I'm adding more to it, as you can see here. So random growth equals int cast again, random 1 times u is 30, so 1 times 30 minus 0.5, and I'm adding that to it. That gives you a little growth bit there. I'm checking the position. I'm using check position here. Check position literally only goes if it gets to the top of the screen, or just before the top, because I've set it to 175 instead of the 200, just to show that it does cut out before it hits the top. It will then call setup, so then it will just run everything again. So it'll create the initial array again and then start over, which you can see it doing there. Now here I'm just actually printing the bars out. So you can see there 0 plus size times I. So that'll give the initial point. So if size will be 0 on the first run of that, so that'll be 0, 0 there, and then it'll give you size times 1, size times 2, size times 3 to give you the starting point of each vertex. I'm using the fill here, so to get the colors to change whilst it was growing, I was just filling in the bar's position into the fill. So as you can see over here, the bigger they get, the redder they get, which is similar to yours. And that is literally all my code does. Thank you.